This video is for those who want to hike the Annapurna circuit by themselves without guide or porter. We explain how to get from Pokhara or Kathmandu to the beginning of the trail. We'll suggest you where is the best place to start hiking. You will accompany me through the villages so you can see by yourself the difficulties. You will see where to buy the permit, where is a checkpoint, and explain regulation. How about hiring a guide? We discuss the detail about some locations that are dangerous and also explain how to walk through the Thorong la Pass. The ACAP permit is required to walk the Annapurna circuit. The permit is available in Kathmandu and Pokhara. It costs 3,000 rupees. Bring 2 passport photos. You apply in the morning and it's delivered in the afternoon. To get to the beginning of the trail, you have to take transportation by land from Kathmandu to Besi Sahar 6 hours or Pokhara Besi Sahar 4 hours. Once there, immediately book a jeep for the next morning. The jeep to Chamois costs $170 total, so you better carpool. The Annapurna circuit is always done counterclockwise. Many people on a tight schedule choose to be dropped off in Chamois and stop there. You can choose to be dropped off anywhere in between Besi Sahar and Chamois. The jeep track in white between Besi Sahar and CNG is a bit busy, but there is a foot trail dotted red on the east side of the river. We didn't do that foot trail, though we should have. We saw it from the jeep and it looked beautiful. The most popular places to start the trek are CNG, Jagat, Chiamshi, or Tall. We started in Tall. At the time we were there, the foot trail was closed due to a rock avalanche which caused the death of a hiker. So we walked all the way to Chamois using the jeep track. 2 days. The jeep traffic is not so intense. There was approximately 1 jeep every 10 minutes. And they don't drive fast, so it did not bother us. You will find food and bed in every village on the trail. The road is very bumpy and is under constant repair. Here is an elevation map of the whole Annapurna circuit. Start reading from the left. You will come across Chiamshi waterfall. Next morning, leaving Chamois for Upper Pisang. Most of the Annapurna circuit is under 4,000 meters and therefore very few people suffer acute mountain sickness. The entire trail is a delight for the eye. A lot of new construction on the Annapurna circuit. Midway between Chamois and Upper Pisang, you will see the mountain in the shape of a bowl called Pagiri Tanda. Arriving in Upper Pisang, early October, plenty of rooms available.
It's 600 rupees for 2 beds. And look at the view. Wow. This is $1 million view. And then you can see Annapurna.
Very easy to walk when the weather is good. Looking toward Lower Pisang. Most important, make sure your shoes are not slippery. Climb slowly, that's the secret. The trail is wide, the soil is compacted. There are very few forks that can confuse you. It is easy to walk. Walking through the beautiful and old Chiaru village. Everywhere on the circuit, the locals are helpful. They will not hesitate to show you the way. Some say the Annapurna circuit is the most spectacular trail in the world. If you crave for a Coca-Cola,
ginger, lemon, honey tea.
those high altitude plateaux makes the production of milk and meet possible. From Manang, there is a trail that goes to Tilico Lake. It's a full day round trip. In Manang, there is a checkpoint. As of fall 2023, it was a regulation to be accompanied by a guide or porter, but this was seldom enforced. That day, we were accompanied by a friend who had her own porter, so we had no problem passing the gate. We talked to many solo trekkers and nobody was turned back. Thanks. Past Manang, there's no more jeep. It is recommended to stay away from those animals. They don't know you. The trail follows a valley. You cannot get lost. There is a footbridge between Lida and Thorong that links the east to the west of the river. Maps.me will ask you to cross the bridge to the west side. Don't. There's a big rockfall. There is a new bridge on the east side at the end that connects to Thorong. You can see the footbridge on the central left. The youngest person we've seen on the ACT. Once in Thorong, you have two choices. The first one, a big day, you climb 400 meters to base camp and then you climb to the pass and then you walk all your way down to Maktinak in a single day. You have to leave at 4 a.m. though. The second solution is to simply sleep in Thorong, sleep again in base camp, and then at 6 a.m. walk to the pass and then walk down to Maktinak. Climbing the 400 meters to base camp. High camp is sometimes called base camp. It is relatively comfortable at 4,900 meters base camp. There is food, there is Wi-Fi, and a place to sleep. The toilets are outdoor. We wake up no later than 5 a.m. the next morning and we have breakfast. We start the climb early in the morning in the dark, and 2 hours later it ends up in the open space. That day we had excellent weather and a wonderful sunrise.
Almost there.
Where are you today?
Thorong la Pass.
You seem to be tired.
No, not tired. Just short of breath. Snow.
Exactly 2 days after us, they received 1 foot of snow on the pass.
Thorong la Pass, 5,400 meters. Nice. 6 a.m.
What about the oxygen level here?
Getting less and less. You see, no tree, no bush, no flowers, nothing. So we have no oxygen.
Yes, you can go there on horseback, but then you cannot brag about it to your family. A coffee shop at the highest point on the pass. A rest well deserved. The Annapurna circuit is a little easier than the Everest base camp to do because you don't spend that much time in high altitude. 59 years old, still 5 years younger than me. After your coffee break, you walk down to Maktinak. It is a gentle slope and it takes 6 hours. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Thank you.